So this is our little rabbit tractor we made today. Rabbits are living the dream. We got a metal metal welded wire floor. They could still get their paws in, scratch around, eat. Little windbreak. This is supposed to be portable where we can move it. What I'm thinking about doing is this is 8 foot long by 8 foot wide, 2 foot high. So I'm gonna get a piece of conduit, do a little 2-hole strap on each end, and then have it sticking out, a foot on each end. And then that way 4 people could just pick it up and carry it, down and park it. But yeah, it's not as light as I was hoping for. And then I'll probably put some little sticks screwed to the side in there to prop this open. I'll show you how it opens. So yeah, we could still get in here and feed. We did the little angle on the corner, put the feed bowl. But yeah, it's pretty roomy for them.